Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss about an strategy which is enough to make you profitable, and it is a very good strategy with a very huge win rate. So now let me explain you the strategy. So firstly let me go to the charts. So yeah, here is the chart. So the name of the strategy is 6 EMA. So this strategy has basically two parts. First, the selling part and the buying part. So first let me share with you the selling part. So basically you have to first plot a 6 EMA indicator in the trading view chart. I'll also explain how to put it. So suppose this is the EMA line, that means the 6 EMA line. So through by selling setup we have to see a candle which close above the EMA line, and it should not touch the EMA line. That means its wick or body should not touch the EMA line. So this will be our alert candle, and as soon as its low is broken we can take our trade over here. So our entry would be here and our SL would be at the top of the alert candle, that means the high of the alert candle. Okay, so this is the selling setup, and we will do our selling in 5-minute time frame. Okay, so now let's move to the buying part. So buying part is also similar to selling part. So suppose this is the EMA line and a candle should close below the 6 EMA line, which should not touch the EMA. Its wick or body should not touch the EMA line, and this would be our alert candle. So as soon as the high of the candle is broken, we will take the trade. So our entry would be here and our SL would be here, and buying trade also we have to take in 5-minute time frame. So this is basically the framework of the strategy. That means this is the draft of the strategy. Now let me show you the same strategy in charts. So now let's move to the charts. Okay, so I am in the 5-minute time frame, and wait, let me first explain you the key component of the strategy. So this 6 EMA strategy alone, it is not very efficient, but by making some adjustment we can make it so profitable. So we will basically see the selling trades near the resistance. I hope you all know how to draw resistance. So we will take the selling trade near resistance. That means if here a candle is closed and it is not touching the EMA, so we can take our trade here as soon as its low is broken. So this is basically the sell setup, and our SL would be here. And through buy setup we should only take a buy setup in the support region. That means suppose this is the support and a candle is formed over here and it is also not touching the EMA line. So as soon as its high is broken, we'll take the trade and put our SL over here. So this is basically the main criteria of the EMA strategy, because alone 6 EMA strategy is not so efficient. Means it's efficient but not so efficient, and making this adjustment we can make it even more profitable and more good strategy. So now let me show you in the charts. So let's move to the chart. So this is the chart of Euro USD. Actually this strategy works everywhere. That means you can trade it in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Forex or crypto market, anywhere. This strategy works everywhere. So let's first go to the indicator section, and here we have to write EMA. So here we got the EMA, that means moving average exponential. So then after plotting it we will go to the settings, and here we will write 6. Okay, and now let me make the EMA line broader so you can see it, and also change the color to red. Okay, so this is basically the whole strategy. So as you can see over here, I have marked a resistance in the chart. So as you can see here the price touched here and went down. So I marked this area and waiting for the price to come here again. So as you can see, let me zoom in first. Yeah, so you can see over here, as the price come over here, we can see a 5-minute candle this is a 5 minute time frame. So we can see a 5 minute candle which is not touching the EMA line. This red one is the EMA line, and so here is our entry and here is our stop loss. So as soon as the low of this candle is broke, we can take the trade and put our SL over here in the top. So now let's see what is the risk to reward ratio of this strategy. So now let me move to the short position, and here is our entry and here is our SL. So you can see over here that we can get easily 1:12 in this strategy, but I know that you can't capture the whole move, but there is a condition for profit booking in the strategy. So firstly, you have to book 1:3, means as soon as your trade goes to 1:3, you book 80% of your profit, or as per your requirement, but I personally book 80% here, and you can book 70% or 90% as per your requirement. So here is the strategy. So like 1:3, yeah, you should book here 80% of quantity, then by 20% you can trail your SL over here. So yeah, this is the first example. Now let me show you some more examples. Yeah, so here also, here I have marked the support. So as you can see over here that the market came down and bounced off from here. So I draw a rectangle over here and waiting for the price to come to the rectangle, that means the support region. And as soon as it came to a support region, you can see over here this candle. This perfectly fit in our condition that it is below the 6 EMA line, and this is not touching, means its body and its wick is not touching the 6 EMA line. So this would be our alert candle. So here we will mark the candle, and as soon as its high is broken, we will put our SN here and take the trade. So now let's take the risk to reward ratio of this trade also. So this is the long position, and here would be our trade and our SL would be here. So as you can see, this is the nice trade of 1:7. So you have to book the profit at 1:3, 80% or 90% as per your requirement, and then trail your SLs into the trend, means from where the price is going. So now let me show you some more example. So here also you can see that the price is continuously hitting this zone. So this is the valid support zone. So as soon as the price came again here, so I mark this candle. Okay, so this would be our SN, and this would be our entry price. As soon as it's broken, we can take our trade. So here you can see we have took the trade over here and put our SL down there. Yeah, this is also a 1:4 trade, so you can do the same profit booking as we discussed earlier. So now let me show you some more example. This is the last example I'm showing you in this chart. Then we'll move to Nifty. So here also you can see that the price is continuously taking support in here. So when the price again came back over here, I was searching for a 5 EMA candle, and here I got the candle. So I mark it, and this is our alert candle. So this is our entry as soon as it breaks, and this is our SL. So as you can see, this is also a good trade, and you have got a nice move over here also. So yeah, now let's move to another chart. That means, I suppose, Nifty. Yeah. So now let's move to the Nifty chart, and here also I have marked some resistance and support. So here you can see that the Nifty has took support over here 2 times. So I was waiting that as soon as it will touch here, I will take the trade. So you can see over here, you can see over here that this is the candle we are looking for. So we'll mark the entry level and the SL level. So here also you can see you got a good return in Nifty also. So first book 1:3, then trail your stop loss. The same we have done earlier. So now let me show you some more examples. So here also you can see the price took a resistance over here. So I was waiting for the price to come over here, and as you can see the price came over here and little much broke, but that's not the problem. So here we got a perfect candle for our setup. So we'll take the entry over here in the down and put our, wait, let me change the color, and our SL over here and entry over here. So yeah, you can see over there we got a nice trade here also. So this is basically the strategy, and you can trade this strategy anywhere you want. And I have marked some examples also, but I think that that's enough for you, means you have understood the strategy. So this is basically the EMA strategy which I used earlier. That means I am not trading this strategy now because of some reasons, not because this strategy is bad or something, but I am not trading it now. But earlier I used to trade, means I have traded it for a long time. So this is a very good strategy, and the main addition to this strategy is the support and resistance part, because without it this strategy is not so efficient. So make sure to mark the support and resistance area nicely and then take the trade. So yeah, basically this is the strategy, and this is all for the video. And guys, I will meet you in the next video, and there also we will discuss some important stuffs. So thank you.